morning. This is John Paul from Interconnection Engineering College. Today we discuss about functional units of computer system. So I already all of you know what is computer, what are the functional units are in computer. So first of all, some basic terminology. So you know that what is the input, what is the output, what is the processing memory. So first of all, what is input? Input means from outside world we have to give some data to the computer. That is called input. Next, data. Data means it is a fact, real fact or object or some ideas. That is called data. It is a raw fact, which means raw fact. Next, information. Information means the processed data. The processed data is called information. Next, output. Suppose you have to give some input, the input processed and produces output. That is called output. Next, memory means it is a data code for the system. That is a memory. Next is storage. If you want to store some data in the computer, that is called storage. So next, you have to know some basic terminology. What is assembly language? What is mnemonic? What is assembler? What is high level? So first of all, what is high level language? High level language means it is a human understandable language. It is written in normal English. That is some statements. That is a high level language. Next, what is the compiler? The compiler, what is the use of compiler? The compiler are used to convert from high level language into machine understood language. That is a low level language. That is called compiler. Suppose high level language is a human understood language. Next, low level language is a machine understood language. Suppose most of the compiler does not produce any low level language. It converts only assembly language. Then why we used to assembler. Assembler is a program that converts assembly language into low level language. So compiler, all of the compiler produce most of the compiler produce the assembly language as the output. Then we have to use the assembler, the assembly language into machine level language. That is a low level language. That is a binary code, zeros and ones. Next, what is the another one is a compiler and the interpreter are both are same. Compiler execute all the program at a time. The interpreter will execute line by line execution. Next, we have to know the two types of software. One is a system software, another one is a application software. So system software means the system basically run what are the apps are needed, what are the application are needed. That is called a system software. Best example is a operating system. So if you start any one program, if your computer, the operating system has some sufficient application to run the program. Suppose application software means that based on the human requirements, we have to install some application. That is called application software. So next, in computing system, we have the two kinds of components. The computer has two kinds of components. First one is a hardware, another one is a software. So hardware means it is a combination of some physical devices. It has some components, that is some physical component like CPU, memory, bus, storage, etc. Next, software, it consists of a program. It has some operating system, some application programs, some utilities. These are the two components of computer. Computer has two components. One is a hardware and another one is a software. So hardware means it is a physical components of computer. What are the components of the computer? That is a physical components like CPU, memory, next bus, storage, devices, keyboard, mouse. These are the hardware parts. Next is software means it consists of the program. It has some operating system or application programs and etc. Now we have to see the functional units of computer system. Basically, The technology will be changed in every day, but the structure of the computer has not changed. In first generation also, it has input, output, CPU. In fifth semester also, fifth generation also, we have input, output, next CPU. The basic structure of computer cannot be changed, but the application, the technology will be changed in every day. So first it has 5 function units. That is the computer has 5 function units. One is input unit, output unit, next CPU. The CPU has divided into 3 units. That is control unit, memory unit, next ALU. So first of all, what is input unit? So input unit, the computer gets the input from the outside world through some input unit, through some input devices. What are the input devices? Keyboard, mouse, joystick, scan. These are the input devices. The most of the computer has keyboard is one of the most important input device. So the input, it is a architecture or structure of the any one computer. It has input, it has output, it has CPU. The CPU is divided at it has 3 types. One is a ALU, one is a control unit, another one is a memory unit. So first of all, input unit. The input unit are already we discussed. So what is input unit? The input unit gets the input from outside world and get the data processed. Get the data processed with the outside world data converted into binary format. That is which is understood by CPU. Next, for example, keyboard, mouse, joystick. These are the example of input devices. Next, output. So we have to give some input. The given input process and produce some output. The output devices are used to convert the binary format into human understood language, like natural language. Through the monitor, we have to use some different types of output devices. Example, monitor, printer, LED. These are the LCD. These are the some important output devices. So next, the CPU. So CPU is the brain of the computer. The CPU is the heart of the computer. So next, the CPU is further divided into memory unit, control unit, next ALU. So first of all, what is ALU? There is a arithmetic and a logical unit. The arithmetic and logical unit are used to perform arithmetic and logical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the arithmetic operations and logical. These operations are performed by using the arithmetic and logical unit. Next, the control unit. The control unit are used to control the entire system. It is the brain of the computer. The CPU, the computer is the brain of the computer. It is control and coordinates the entire system. For example, suppose if you want the ALU operation to perform any one addition operation, it needs some input from the input devices. So the control unit sends the signal to input unit, get the input data, and the process with the ALU are used to perform the operation, and the result will be stored in the memory through the control unit. Next one. So memory is a storage device. There is 2 types of memory are used. One is a primary memory, another one is a secondary memory. The primary memory is a system memory, that is a battery memory, RAM or ROM. Suppose it has some limited number of data will be stored. It is a non-battery memory. Suppose any one system or power off, the data will be erased. Another memory is a secondary memory. It is a valid memory. Then it is used to store the large number of data, bulk amount of data, mass storage are used by using the secondary devices like hard disk, memory, etc. So this is a interconnection between functional components. Already we know the functional components: input unit, output unit, next memory, next ALU, another one is control unit. functional units are interconnected through the system bus. So system bus are connected through the entire system. This is an example of interconnection between the functional components and the functional components. Thank you.